the RV Foodie Trail. Must-visit spots for the best local eats. Embarking on an RV journey is not just about the destinations you explore, but also about the culinary adventures you encounter along the way. The RV Foodie Trail is a gastronomic odyssey that takes you through the heart of America's diverse culinary landscape, right from the comfort of your home on wheels. From the smoky barbecue pits of Texas to the fresh seafood shacks of Maine, this trail is a mosaic of flavors, each telling the story of its region's culture, history, and traditions. So, buckle up and let your taste buds lead the way as we explore the must-visit spots for the best local eats across the country. 1. The Barbecue Belt, a smoky sojourn in Texas. No foodie trail is complete without a deep dive into the heart of Texas barbecue. Central Texas, particularly the areas around Austin and San Antonio, is a haven for barbecue enthusiasts. Lockhart, Texas, dubbed the barbecue capital of Texas, Lockhart is home to legendary joints like Krebs Market and Smitty's Market, where the brisket is king, and the sausages are stuffed with tradition. RV tip: nearby campgrounds offer comfortable stays, allowing you to indulge in a barbecue feast and then relax under the Texan stars. 2. The Seafood Trail, coastal delights in Maine. Maine's rugged coastline is the backdrop for some of the freshest seafood in the country, especially its iconic lobsters. Portland, Maine. Start in Portland with a visit to the bustling Portland Lobster Company, where the lobster rolls come with a side of scenic harbor views. Bar Harbor. Venture further up the coast to Bar Harbor, where local spots like Thurston's Lobster Pound offer lobsters fresh from the ocean to your plate. RV tip: Acadia National Park offers RV-friendly camping, combining majestic natural beauty with easy access to Maine's seafood bounty. 3. The Cheese Trail, Wisconsin's Dairy Delights. Wisconsin's cheese heritage is a creamy dream for dairy lovers, with artisanal cheese shops and factories dotting the landscape. Monroe, why? Known as the Swiss cheese capital of the USA, Monroe is home to the historic Baumgartner's Cheese Store and Tavern, where cheese is celebrated in all its forms. RV tip: scenic campgrounds near Monroe provide a peaceful retreat, surrounded by rolling hills and dairy farms. 4. The Wine Trail, California's Napa Valley. Napa Valley is synonymous with fine wine, offering a tapestry of vineyards and wineries that invite you for tastings and tours. Napa and Sonoma. Explore renowned wineries like Robert Mondavi and Castello di Amorosa for a taste of world-class wines and behind-the-scenes tours of winemaking. RV tip: several RV resorts in the area offer luxury amenities, making it easy to explore the vineyards by day and relax in comfort by night. 5. The Southern Comfort Trail, soul food in Louisiana. Louisiana's culinary scene is a melting pot of flavors, with Creole and Cajun cuisines taking center stage. New Orleans. Dive into the vibrant food scene with classics like gumbo at Dookie Chase's restaurant and beignets at Café du Monde. RV tip: stay at one of the RV parks just outside the city for easy access to the culinary delights of New Orleans while enjoying the tranquility of the Louisiana countryside. 6. The Southwest Spice Trail, New Mexico's fiery flavors. New Mexico's cuisine is renowned for its bold flavors, with green and red chilies dominating the dishes. Santa Fe. Sample the state's signature dish, green chili stew, at local favorites like The Shed, and don't miss the chance to try blue corn tortillas. RV tip: Santa Fe Skies RV Park offers stunning sunset views and is just a short drive from the city's top eateries. 7. The Pacific Northwest Brew Trail, craft beer in Oregon. Oregon, particularly Portland, is a haven for craft beer aficionados, with more breweries per capita than any other city in the U.S. Portland. Embark on a brewery tour, with stops at pioneers like Deschutes Brewery and innovative newcomers like Breakside Brewery. RV tip: many breweries offer RV parking, and local campgrounds provide a cozy spot to rest after a day of tastings. RV Foodie Trail tips: plan ahead, research opening times and days, as some local gems may have limited hours. Local markets: visit farmers markets along your route for fresh, local produce and artisanal goods. Festivals: time your visits with local food festivals for a taste of regional specialties and dishes. Cooking in your RV: incorporate local ingredients into your meals. It's a fun way to relive the flavors of your journey. Community boards: check local RV community boards for recommendations and hidden gems that only locals might know about. A feast for the senses. The RV Foodie Trail is more than just a journey, it's an exploration of America's culinary diversity, served up 1 mile at a time. Each destination on the trail offers a unique flavor, a story, and an experience that transforms eating into an adventure. So, as you set out on your next RV journey, let the allure of local eats guide your way, turning each meal into an unforgettable part of your adventure. Here's to the open road, the joy of discovery, and the pleasure of a good meal shared with loved ones. Bon appétit!